Hello watcher and subscriber. In this math tutorial, I show you how you can draw the rhombus by taking the information of two diagonals. So here what happen in math, while drawing the rhombus, in question you get the measurement of two diagonal and most of the student get confused. So here I tell you how you can draw the rhombus. So as you know, the rhombus means all the four sides are same in the rhombus. So now here, while drawing the rhombus, either you have to means draw the line segment of 5.2 centimeter or 6.4. So these are what ultimately the diagonals. So first you need here you have to use the scale, and by taking the help of this you have to do the line segment, or you can see the diagonal, which is 5.2 or 6.4 centimeter. You can do any one. So suppose here I am taking 6.4 centimeter. Once it is done, then there is no need of ruler, and now here first diagonal is ready, that is 6.4 centimeter. So you can write the distance, which is 6.4 centimeter long. Okay, later on you can give the name also. And now here next step is you have to think about next diagonal, which is 5.2 centimeter. So for doing this you need the help of compass. Once you take the compass, you have to decide its specific measurement. Suppose I want near about 4 point something. Okay, so you can take either 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, that is not the problem. Then you have to keep it on the end point, because now here in the next step of construction you have to draw perpendicular bisector, so that your compass pointer will be place on the end point, and then you have to draw the arc, biggest arc, and then you have to do it on the next point, make the arc. Same I am doing downside. Now I am changing its position in the previous end point. Finally I got this, and now I don't need compass. So next step is that you have to plot the straight line. So this is the straight line that I have drawn, and now here you need a diagonal which is 5.2 centimeter, means 5.2 means from one upside to downside. So you simply do here one simple calculation, divide this 5.2, divide this 5.2 divided by 2. So as you know, if you divide 5.2 into divided by 2, then it will be what? 2.6. Okay, so this is what 2.6, because upside and downside from this center point we want the same distance. That's why we are dividing 5.2 by 2. We want in two equal parts, so which is 2.6. So at the end you can use again compass. Here actually you have to take the measurement of 2.6 centimeter. Okay, and you have to draw the arc. This is one, this is second. So then in the last step you take the scale and join this all point. So this is your complete rhombus, and at the last step you simply give the name. This is A, our complete rhombus, which is exactly looking like rhombus also. So I hope, dear student, you understood this, and whenever this question come in the exam, you have to do like that, and at the end you simply write the steps of construction in your simple language. What you are supposed to write: take the measurement of AC, which is 6.4 centimeter. Then in the next step you can write you have to make perpendicular bisector, and then you have to cut this next diagonal into two part, and then by taking the help of compass you have to, from center point, you can give center point O, and then with the radius of 2.6 make the arc in both the side. And last step is join all the sides, join all the points like AD, AB, BC and CD. So in this way you can construct your own sentence. So I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.